In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade meme coins on Photon. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you do have a Photon account and that you also do have a Phantom Wallet account. In order to actually create a Photon account, you will need a Phantom Wallet account beforehand. So make sure to go ahead and get a Phantom Wallet account first and then go ahead and create a Photon account. If you guys want more clarification, I'm going to be leaving some links in the description down below to other videos I did make about Photon. But anyways, guys, once you went ahead and made your account, the next thing we need to do is we need to deposit some Solana on Photon, which we could then use to trade meme coins. So all you want to do from here is you want to go to the top right and select over here where it says wallet management. Then it is going to bring us a page that looks like this, and we have multiple different options to actually deposit Solana. So we can go ahead and utilize the split option, or we can go ahead and select on specific amount. And then all we need to do is we need to go over here to where it says deposit and then enter in how much Solana we actually want to deposit. So I believe the minimum amount of Solana to deposit is 0.1. So make sure that you deposit at least 0.1 Solana, which is around $21 at the time of recording this video. But anyways, guys, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on deposit, and then it is going to open up Phantom Wallet again. And so it's really important that you do have Phantom Wallet beforehand. And again, it's completely free. And unfortunately, it's going to say that the transaction will not work because I have insufficient funds on my account. So you want to make sure that you do have Solana on Phantom Wallet as well. So that's a little bit unfortunate. But there's another way that we could actually go ahead and deposit Solana, and that is with MoonPay. MoonPay essentially allows you to utilize your debit or credit card or Apple Pay or Google Pay in order to actually buy Solana and deposit it onto Photon. So all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on deposit, and then it is going to make you log in, and then it's going to send like a verification code to your email. So yeah, I believe again you need to buy at least $20 in order to make this work. So you need to buy at least $20, then you need to go ahead and press on continue. Then enter in your email address. Then all you need to do is you need to select on continue, and then it is going to send you a verification code. Now, this will only work in certain regions of the world. So you need to go ahead and actually check if it does work for your region. And if it doesn't, then that's a little bit unfortunate, but you could always go ahead and use the other method. All right, guys, so now that you have some Solana, all you want to do in order to start trading meme coins is go to the top menu and select over here where it says meme scope. And here is where all of the different meme coins will actually be available for you guys to buy. So if you're wondering, I actually do have Nova Click, which is a bot that makes trading significantly faster. So if you don't see this button over here, do not worry. That is an extension that I'm currently using. I also did make a video showing you guys how to download it, so that is definitely something you can go ahead and take a look at. It's completely for free and it will make trading significantly faster. But over here, it will actually go ahead and categorize different meme coins. So we got graduated, we got about to graduate it, and newly created over here. But we also do have filters in each of these sections. So if you want to go ahead and just filter things out, you want to go ahead and select on whether it's on Moonshot or Pump and stuff like that. That is something that you guys could do. And same thing with the about to graduate, and of course for graduated as well. So yeah, you guys could filter by a lot. You could filter by buys, market cap, volume, current liquidity, by age, bot holders and stuff like that. So all those are honestly great options for you. So let's say, for example, we wanted to buy the Bingus meme coin. So we need to go ahead and select on that. So yeah, if you wanted to buy this, then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and select over here where it says buy now, then go ahead and select on what wallet you're going to be using. And then you want to go ahead and select on how much Solana you actually want to purchase. So this is completely up to you. And we also do have a box over here. So if you want to go ahead and enter in a custom amount, that is definitely something that you guys could do. And we also have some advanced settings over here. So that's definitely pretty cool. So this like pink widget over here, this is again from Nova Click. It is not, from the official Photon. But anyways, guys, all you need to do is you need to select on quick buy, and then you should be able to go ahead and actually buy that meme coin. And at any point in time, you guys can go ahead and sell it. Select on the wallet, and you guys could either sell 25%, 50%, or 100% of your meme coin. We also do have other filters like buy the dip and insta buy. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.